warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon viewers, back with me, Safina, on Saturday, July 10, 2021. Today I'm at the Gondanglegi market and I will accompany you for a few minutes ahead on breaking news that speed and actual news. Today our news is the situation in Gondanglegi market during the PPKM rules. And here is the full news. The implementation of Community Activity Restriction, or we call it PPKM, is policy of the Indonesian government to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. This PPKM has been going on from July 5 to July 20, 2021. This also greatly impacts the environment and atmosphere. For example, in the Gondanglegi market, even though the market is not completely closed and buying and selling activities are still allowed, these few days it looks quiet during the day compared to usual day due to this PPKM rule. Not only that, during this PPKM policy, all shops must be closed early, crowding is prohibited, and everyone is required to wear a mask. The Gondanglegi market also applies an odd-even system of selling activities. This system is realized as an effort to reduce crowds in the market, which is one of the things that causes the spread of the virus. We know the market is a crowded place. What is that we fear can increase the possibility of transmission of coronavirus? We know that the market is a crowded place. But as we know, the government also always gives direction and also warnings about the things to do and not to do. Such as the Gondanglegi market, there are several places where hand washing is given and posters about COVID-19 are posted at some points in the Gondanglegi market to always remember and maintain your own safety and market or during the PPKM rule period. Well viewers, that's all the news for today. Do not forget to always apply the health protocol for wherever you go. And I'm Safina. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.